Sa pambihirang pagkakataon, babae ang magiging tagapangasiwa ng budget sa Kamara. Si Micaela Swansing, kongresista mula Nueva Ecija, ang nahalal bilang chairperson ng Appropriations Committee. Why is this notable? Swansing doesn't fit the traditional mold of an APRO chair, said to be one of the most powerful roles in the House. Ito ang ilan sa mga nakahawak ng posisyon na yan. Rolando Andaya, Ed Selagman, Isidro Ungab, Zaldi Co, Carlo Nograles, June Abaya, Joey Salceda. Puro mga lalaki. Karamihan may several years of experience in legislative work. Congresswoman Mika comes from a political family. Her parents are former lawmakers Horacio Swansing and Estrelita Swansing. Mika Swansing is only on her second term. When she was a neophyte, she actively participated in the congressional investigation into Sara Duterte's alleged misuse of public funds. She later voted in favor of her impeachment. Swansing has a stellar educational record. She's an alumna of the Philippine Science High School, earned her undergraduate degree in Ateneo de Manila University, and has a master's degree in public policy at Harvard. Pero papasanin niya ang isa sa pinakamahirap na trabaho sa Kamara. Swansing's predecessor, Zaldi Co, supposedly resigned from the post due to health reasons, but the exit came in the wake of backlash over the 2025 budget. Her political stamina will be tested. She will spend sleepless nights negotiating with allies. She will have to find a way to appease critics and ensure that the budget will be passed on time. Lahat ng mapanuring mata ay nakatutok din sa legislatibo, lalo pat pinalagan ni President Ferdinand Marcos sa kanyang SONA ang budget insertions na wala sa proposal ng ehekutibo. Nangako rin si Speaker Martin Romualdez ng greater transparency through an open BICAM. Does she have what it takes to deliver? For more stories, visit the Rappler website and download the Rappler Communities app.